Python sets versus lists. In Python, which data structure is more efficient/speedy? Assuming that order is not important to me and I would be checking for duplicates anyway, is a Python set slower than a Python list?
It depends on what you are intending to do with it. Sets are significantly faster when it comes to determining if an object is present in the set, as in X and S, but its elements are not ordered, so you cannot access items by index as you would in a list. Sets are also somewhat slower to iterate over in practice. You can use the timeout module to see which is faster for your situation.
Lists are slightly faster than sets when you just want to iterate over the values. Sets, however, are significantly faster than lists if you want to check if an item is contained within it. They can only contain unique items though. It turns out tuples perform in almost exactly the same way as lists, except for their immutability. Iterating. Determine if an object is present.
Set when stooch near instant contains checks, this URL. List implementation, usually an array, low level close to the metal good for iteration and random access by element index. Set implementation, this URL, it does not iterate on a list, but finds the element by computing the hash from the key, so it depends on the nature of the key elements in the hash function. Similar to what is used for dict. I suspect lists could be faster if you have very few elements. 5. The larger element count, the better the set will perform for a contains check. It is also fast for element addition and removal. Also always keep in mind that building a set has a cost. Note, if the list is already sorted, searching the list could be quite fast on small lists, but with more data a set is faster for contains checks.
List performance. Set performance. You may want to consider tuples as they're similar to lists but can't be modified. They take up slightly less memory and are faster to access. They aren't as flexible but are more efficient than lists. Their normal use is to serve as dictionary keys. Sets are also sequence structures, but with two differences from lists and tuples. Although sets do have an order, that order is arbitrary and not under the programmer's control. The second difference is that the elements in a set must be unique. Set by definition. Python, Wiki.
Você é classe no Super Extreme.